Yep, I read your mind. You're looking for a tuna macaroni salad, and I got one for you. Let's go. All right, guys, so let's go ahead and do a quick roll call with the ingredients. As I mentioned before, this recipe was sent to me by a subscriber. He said this macaroni salad is smacking, and we shall soon find out. So let me tell you what we have here. Back here, we have some tuna, elbow macaroni. We're gonna use Miracle Whip, as he said, not mayo. We're gonna use eggs, sweet peas, some onions. Now I'm adding sweet relish in mine. I love sweet relish in my macaroni salad, so that's not part of his ingredients, but I'm using that. We got pepper, salt, Dijon mustard, which I'm adding also, and some lemon juice, which is what I'm adding because I like it in my macaroni salad. Everything else is what he told me to put in it. So these are the ingredients, guys. Let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and get started. And for the sake of this video, I'm gonna show you guys how to boil eggs. I know you guys don't know how to do this, so I'm gonna show you. So right now we have our water right here in our pot. I have my 2 eggs in there. So I'm gonna let this come up to a boil temperature, and then we're gonna let that bad baby boil for about 10 to 12 minutes, all right? All right, guys, so we are about 12 minutes in because I want those hard boiled eggs. Now, if you want like the soft boil and with the soft yolk, you could do it for about 7 to 10 minutes, but I wanted mine around 12 minutes. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna go ahead and turn our heat off. And what you wanna do is you wanna remove your eggs, take you some tongs, and you wanna immediately drop it in a cold ice bath. And what this does is stops the cooking immediately. Well, not immediately, but it starts to stop the cooking right there in that ice bath like that, all right? So we're gonna sit this aside, let it rest in there for several minutes, and now we're gonna move over to our next step, which is getting our elbow macaroni prepared. All right, guys, so our water for our macaroni is coming up to boil, so I'm gonna go ahead and start dropping a little salt in here. We're gonna salt our water, and we're gonna stand back for about another minute as this comes back up to temperature and boiling. Then we're gonna add our macaroni. All right, so now we're gonna start adding our macaroni. So right here, we're gonna add that in there like that. And we're gonna bring that back up to boil. And we're gonna let it cook for about 8 to 10 minutes to al dente. Then we're gonna remove it, get it drained off, and continue. So it looks like we're about 10 minutes in, so we're gonna go ahead and kill that fire. Now I'm gonna take this off the stove, I'm gonna drain it, and we're gonna go back over to our cutting board. Okay, so while our pasta is cooling, we're gonna start making our dressing that we're gonna pour over our pasta. So I've already placed our Cool Whip into a bowl right here, and I'm gonna add our lemon juice, our Dijon mustard, salt, and pepper. And we're just gonna get at a mix just like that. All right, we're gonna sit this aside and bring our pasta back over in the mix. All right, so now our macaroni has cooled down. We're gonna start adding the remaining of our ingredients. So we're gonna start here with our tuna. I'm gonna add that along with our peas, our eggs, our onions, and our relish. And all we're gonna do now is get all this mixed up real good, get it all combined. And now what we're gonna do is we're gonna come over the top of this with our Miracle Whip dressing. And we're gonna go ahead and get this mixed in. And I like my macaroni salad creamy just like this. I don't like it when it's too dry. So we're gonna place this in the refrigerator, let it cool down. I like my macaroni salad cold, so I'm gonna put it in the fridge. Then we're gonna come back and we're gonna do quality control, all right? All right, so we've let it chill in the refrigerator for about 30 to 45 minutes. And to finish this off, he said, add you some of that Lyris to the top. So we're gonna sprinkle that out with a little Lyris, seasoned salt on the top. He said it makes it smack, so we're gonna see. And me, I like a little paprika to kind of top it off. Just like that. Now tell me that ain't hitting, guys. And there you have it. Tuna macaroni salad. Let me know what y'all think about the subscribers recipe in the comment section below. Also, I'm gonna put the ingredients in the video description so you guys can make this and you can check it out and let me know what you think. Until then, let's go ahead and get into quality control because I'm ready to try it out, all right? And give my honest opinion. All right, let's go. All right, it's time for quality control. We're gonna test it out. Remember, I got this recipe from a subscriber and we're gonna see what it tastes like. I'm gonna give you my honest opinion. Take a look at that. And usually I always take a sneak bite or something, but I said I'm gonna wait to do it in front of the camera. So let's go ahead and get into it. Oh, it smells good. Oh man. Oh buddy. Oh baby, creamy just like I like it. And the seasoning is on point. I didn't add any more salt, any more pepper. This baby is smacking, I'm telling you. This is good. And I'll be honest with you, I don't like English peas, sweet peas, whatever you want to call them. I started not to put them in here. I said, hey, he said that's what it takes to make it, so I'm gonna do it. Now I am glad that I added the sweet relish. I think it adds a little more sweetness to it in the bite. I think that set it off. So guys, if you like that little mild sweetness to it, add that sweet relish and it's good. So sir, you did a good job. You sent me a good recipe. I appreciate it. And guys, if you got any recipes you want to send me that you want me to do, send them to my email address. I'll link it below. And until then, I'm your cook, Spinelli. This is All Wings Everything. And remember, I'm not a chef, just cook a lot. And now I'm out. Peace.